Hey guys, my name is Gabe Hepka, and we did our project on managing the nitrogen cycle for one of the 14 grand challenges of engineering. We based ours on the legume-based crop rotation. So our main problem was trying to figure out ways to mitigate the nitrogen that's already in the atmosphere. And one of the main contributors that we found was through agricultural uses of it, with the fertilizers and malpractices. The biggest things that they contributed to it was acid rain eutrophication and then the runoff. So all this soil with the nitrogen builds up within, takes out all the nutrients with it, strips the ground of it, and then takes it down into the waterways, into our foods and animals' foods too. So what we try to figure out how to solve this. Our target audience was mostly agricultural regions, developing countries too. We're thinking mostly mainland China and the Philippines and that sort of area with that warm climate and heavy agricultural usages for the economy.
I'm Matthew Hyden. In relation to engineering, we found that managing the nitrogen cycle has required terminating and reversing the effects of our nitrogen pollution in the atmosphere and in the ground and our water sources. We found that legumes are one of the few plants that can take this excess nitrogen from the atmosphere, fix it into a usable nutrients, and replace synthetic soils. By utilizing this agricultural engineering, we can maximize the amount of nitrogen intake with legumes using crop rotation. Natural nutrients could be produced to control excess runoff and nitrogen pollution.
And you're good. I'm Andrew Hockenbrock, and our solution is to promote crop rotation, specifically using legumes to developing agricultural regions. So this solution is nice because legumes are a nitrogen-rich bean that can absorb nitrogen from the soil that other plants are releasing the nitrogen into the atmosphere that ends up in the soil, so the legumes are just there to trap that. The main concept with this is it's a really nice affordable solution for existing companies or industries not to lose their money, but also so developing countries can get into it and stay sustainable and be stronger starting off. So here is our image presenting this. So we have the legumes, and they're trapping the nitrogen that's in the soil, and then when the legumes are dying, they're releasing the nutrients that they have into the soil, leaving it more nutrient dense for new plants to be grown, rather than being nitrogen dense and unsafe for the plants to be grown there.
Hi, I'm Nathan Huang, and so crop rotation has been around for centuries, and that's why it makes it so regionally accessible for everyone, and it also makes it an amazing cost-effective technology instead of buying synthetic nitrogen-based fertilizers. So one of the major flaws is the potential profit loss that farmers could incur if they make more money by selling the current products. And what we're trying to do is trying to find a way that they can use legume-based crop rotation and still find a way that they can make up that loss so that they can truly benefit from this. And for going forward, we're trying to make the industry as a whole get on board with this legume-based crop rotation. So starting off small would make it really easy to get these bigger companies to see how these smaller farms are doing so well with this legume-based crop rotation that they can hop on board, and that we can make profits equal to current profits, and then we can get all of the bigger industrial farms on board as well.